Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I found gold at the lake here in northern Michigan, northern lower Michigan. I didn't expect to find anything, honestly. I was just playing around. I'm learning better how to use my Garrett gold panning set. But this Garrett gold trap and this gold panning set is so easy to use. This is not a commercial. This is not an ad and not related to them. Is it so easy to use? If there's gold, you can't miss it. You can't miss it. So anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing, and then I'll show you the gold I found. So I literally came here next to my boat. I'm at the lake. I'm right next to the boat. And I just scooped off the topsoil because that's just black, stinky, really stinky gunk. The topsoil is 2 inches, 3 inches thick. And then I panned the next 2 shovels I got. I panned out 2 pans and got some nice garnet sand, but I'm not here for that right now. I'm just experimenting. I did not expect to find gold here, but on the 3rd pan down, I found gold. Now, just for info, there's gold in almost every lake, stream, and sand pile in northern lower Michigan because of the glaciers that came through and deposited all kinds of stuff. So you'll find these rounded, nicely polished rocks all over the place, and that's glacier deposit. Obviously, this lake is not got that much action here to polish these rocks, and these are down deeper. This is glacier deposit. So what I did is I went down to the next layer down. Below there's a thick rock layer. When I dug into that thick rock layer, I figured this is where I might find something, but I really didn't expect to find anything even then. Sure enough, I found a speck of gold. So I'll show you that right now. It's right there. See that speck of gold? Nothing spectacular. We're not going to get rich off this. Let me see. Yeah, we won't get rich off this. It's tiny, but it's there. I found a speck of gold. I'm going to see if I can get the magnifier on that so you can see it closer. It's beautiful up close. Trying to get you in there close. It's really hard because my hands are moving. I'm trying to focus that camera. I don't know how well that shows up, but if I can get a good photo of that, I will later. I'm going to need a tripod for my magnifier. Well, that's gold. That is beautiful. You can see through this jeweler's magnifier. You can see all the fine detail of it. Anyway, I'm going to get out there and see if I can get some more. We'll try to get a photo of this later for you. Well, it's not very big, but it's there. Okay, I'm going to run a pan through on video. Now, there's no guarantee I'm going to find anything at all in here. No guarantee at all. But I'm going to show you the process, and if I do find any in the next pan or so here, see, I'm down a little bit lower in here and the water rises. It's a problem, so it's awkward to get anything out. There's a rock in my way. I'm down in the rocky layer, and that's where your gold's going to settle if there is any. Problem is it's very awkward because gold is heavier than anything else in here, and it's going to run off the shovel. And if there's any in here, this is where it'll be, in the rocky layer. I try my hardest to get a pan full. So I'll fill this up a little bit and then we'll be back at the lake. Alright, I just got over here with my pan. Now I'm going to put in the water. It's a great thing about the lake being right here. And all I'm going to do is just sift through that rock into my pan. Hope you can see past my hand. Everything heavy is going in my pan. Now meanwhile, I can go through here and find anything of value for rock tumbling at home. There's a pretty one. Could be a miniature pudding stone. So anything that has any value for later, I'll pull out. Anything for rock polishing. Go through the pan quickly. I highly doubt to ever find a nugget. There's fossils in here. Be nice to see it. Look at that. Wow, look at that. That could be a tiny piece of pudding stone. Very tiny. That's actually sought after around here. Here's another one. Another piece with some red in it. I'll check that out at home later. It's curious. So there's some things you can find. I don't just discard the gravel. I go through it. There's a pretty one. It's tiny, but still. Eventually I'll be going through everything again later and resorting. There's a beautiful piece of clear quartz. Just really nice clear quartz. So this is part of what I'm looking for here. And when I'm done, throw it away. All recycling. Now there's a lot of coarse stuff in the pan. I hope you can see past my head when I do this. But there's a lot. That's a full pan. Now, I'm just going to shake it up and agitate it really well for a while. Now, I've already done a panning video, so I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to get this worked down and we'll come back. I found at least one speck of gold in that pan. Now, I didn't do it live because it just takes time. I'm not really quick, honestly. But there's one in here. There's absolutely one there. Well, it's right there. I put the eyedropper right there. You can see it in comparison to the eyedropper. It's right there at the tip of the eyedropper. It's really hard to focus. It's really tiny. But it's there. There's a gold flake. Hey guys, check out the link below in the video description in the comments to find a link to buy the Garrett Gold Trap and gold panning set. It's no joke. It's so easy. If there's gold to be found with this, you'll find it. It's so incredibly easy to use. And it's really affordable. I always wanted to do this, but I always thought it was too expensive, so I never got started. But with this set, it's incredible. And give me a thumbs up, guys. Like this video and tell everybody about it. Help me beat the thumbs down warriors. It'll help my stats and help me get back up there where I should be. Found another flake, guys. I can't see my camera, so I don't know if it's showing up or not. I found another flake. I'm pointing it to it with the eyedropper. I can't see my camera. I think it's there. I think you can see it. Little gold speck in front of that eyedropper. Well, there's a speck of gold in every pan in this area right here, thanks to the glaciers. So there's gold in northern Michigan, northern lower Michigan. There's gold. But pretty much every single pan below the soil line has one flake. It's not worth panning, really. It takes me some time. But sure is fun. It makes for a good video. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Never know what I'm going to do tomorrow. And pretty much daily videos. Talk to you all later.